feel like I'm jumping out of an airplane right now. My name's King. This is Faith. Yeah. Right now we're going to our site. Like 20 minutes out right now. I think I'm gonna be getting dropped off first. Faith is gonna be second. It's gonna be super real. To the right we have the school. We're really close. We're like a minute away. Yeah.
So this is my headmistress. We got here, we arrived here, and I got my new housing. It's not quite in my community, but we'll work on that. So my headmistress was able to come see me and welcome me. I got to eat with the family here. I'm really excited about that. I have a really nice bathroom, and Mukozi will be helping me. And everything in general is just great. Took a few runs, took a few people to help me, but Peace Corps supported me and I feel really welcome here. So
okay, thank you.